What's up everyone, my name is Q. I'm a costume/fashion designer. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how I turn this ugly from a very outdated dress into something like this. Very French chic, Reformation inspired slip dress. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So let's take a look at this dress. I thrifted this dress about 2 years ago because I just simply love the color and the print, but I'm not a big fan of the neckline and the length. After some research, I've decided to take inspiration from Reformation and make a summer slip dress. Let's first change the neckline. I always like to start my transformation projects with finding the middle point. Then simply cut the shoulder parts open. Now put the dress on and fold all the extra fabric inside like so. Mark this line and cut a straight line 1 inch above. And cut the back to the same length too. Now use this 1 inch seam allowance to fold in twice and pin it like so. After pinning it all around, let's move it to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch on top of it. Here I've decided to sew 2 straight lines instead just to make it look a bit more professional. Now put the dress back on again and fold in the extra bits above your bust and mark it with a pin. This will be our bust darts. Do it on both sides and then sew it down. Now let's make the shoulder straps. Take the scrapped fabric we just cut from the top and cut 4 strips 1.5 inches wide. Now join these 2 strips in the middle and sew it down with a straight stitch. Fold both sides inwards and fold them together like this. Secure it with some pin and sew a straight stitch like this. Do the same on the other side. Now we have 2 shoulder straps. First, secure one side of the strap on the back side of the dress. Then the other side and sew them down. Put the dress on and find the desirable strap length. Mark it and sew it down. Last step, cut the dress at the bottom at your desirable length. Fold the edge in twice and finish the hem with a straight single stitch. Now let's take a look at the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's exactly how I pictured it will be. And can you believe it? It's so easy, so simple to make that I think anyone can do it. And I'm loving this new look. It's summery, it's chic, it's breezy, it's romantic. Overall, I just think it looks a lot more flattering than the original design. And something I just love about slip dresses, that you can wear it on its own, or you can just simply layer it on top of a blouse or a t-shirt. I actually ended up wearing this dress a lot. Let me know in the comments what you think of this dress and this transformation. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please help me hit the like button and give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe for future upcycling, DIY clothing and thrift flipping projects. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!